Hi everybody, this is Diana from sweetysalado, and in this video we're gonna make delicious Colombian beans. This is the second version that I have on my channel because you can make them in many different ways with different ingredients. And as always, the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. To make these beans, I'm using pinto beans. In Colombia, you can use cranberry or green beans, or you can use red beans if you want. And we're gonna let them soak overnight in plenty of water. The next day, we're gonna add a little bit of oil into our pressure cooker, and this is gonna prevent any foam from forming. Now we're gonna add our rinsed beans, and we're gonna add plenty of water. To this, we're also going to add a carrot and a chopped green plantain. We're going to cover the pressure cooker, bring it to pressure over high heat. Then we're going to lower the heat to medium-low to low heat and cook this for about 25 minutes. If you're using a regular pot, this is going to take about 45 to 50 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to make our HOGAO or guiso. So we're going to heat some olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Then we're going to add chopped onion, and we're going to cook this for about 3 minutes or until it's translucent. Now we're going to add chopped garlic, and we're going to cook this for about a minute. And now we're going to add chopped tomato and cook this for about 5 minutes or until it's softened. Now we're going to season with ground cumin, food coloring, and salt and pepper to taste. If you want, you can add a little bit of water, and then we're going to set it aside. Once the beans are cooked, we're going to take out the piece of carrot and put it in a blender with about 1 cup of beans and liquid. Then we're going to blend it and make a mixture, and this mixture is what's going to help us thicken the beans. We add this mixture to the beans, and we're also going to add that HOGAO or guiso that we made previously. We're going to give it a stir. And then we're going to season with salt and pepper to taste. At this point, your beans should be pretty thick, but if you want them thicker, what you can do is cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes over low heat or until they're thickened. And that's another version on how to make delicious Colombian beans. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.